Good morning. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I wanted to share something with you guys, a breakfast idea. The other day, let's see, Sunday, I was reading up on these quick oats and steel cut oats and how you put these in a jar and put them in the refrigerator, overnight oats. So I'll actually post this on the page, the actual recipe. I just wrote it, but I'm getting ready to have mine, and I like mine hot, so I put mine in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and I'm gonna put frozen blueberries in mine. Get some antioxidants in my system and doing it a little healthier and mixing it up a little bit for breakfast. I started with steel cut oats. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Phyllis. I started with steel cut oats, and the reason is because they're higher in fiber. They are than the old-fashioned oats. They're a great source of iron. They have a longer softening time than old-fashioned oats, and 1/4 cup of these steel cut oats has 7 grams of protein. So that's why I chose those. And I had these, I think I found these at Walmart, but that's what they look like, steel cut oats. So I'm gonna have some of that for breakfast this morning, and I wanted to share that with y'all. You could make these ahead of time, put them in the refrigerator. You can grab them if you're going on the go. If they're in a mason jar like that with a lid on them, you can add fruit to it, or peanut butter, or granola. I try to add fruit because I don't always get all my fruit servings in a day, and I do love blueberries. So I'm gonna taste these and tell y'all exactly what I think of them. They're good. It's been since I've welcome Peggy to the kitchen. Hey Linda. Look, my hair's not fixed, but I appreciate it. I actually am just having breakfast this morning. These are good. You know, I'm kind of used to having the old-fashioned oats, just the texture of them, but I do like this. And I can see where this would be very filling because it filled up half of the mason jar. I do think I would like it with peanut butter as well. But they're good. I put in mine a 1/2 cup of steel cut oats, 3/4 cup of milk, and I use 2% milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Yeah. I could eat these as an alternative to, a big old cinnamon bun. For real. Steel cut oats, a little healthier this morning. And you know what? Honestly, if I do try to do healthier, I feel better. That's as honest as I can be. If y'all follow the page and you are seeing the videos that are being posted, if you will like, share, and comment, kind of keeps them going. And I put up, in the past 2 weeks, I've put up a couple of dinner preps as I've cooked it for the guys around here. Oh, Brenda says you can use walnuts too. See, I love this, that everybody has different ideas. Okay, you can put almonds in here, walnuts, pecans. Those kind of things are endless, you know, as far as what you want to put in them. I do think a big tablespoon of peanut butter would be good in them. Anyway, steel cut oats is how I'm starting out my morning. I hope that's something you might like. Tell me about the pasta that you fixed. Was it fantastic? Beverly. Let me not talk with my mouth full. The pasta dish was delicious. And y'all know I love cooking in a crock pot because it's just easy and everything goes in one pot. But the pasta dish was delicious, and it was also good warmed over. Did you and your PJs? Let's see. Leona Michelle, did you get your PJs from Leona Michelle? You know what? I bought these PJs on Amazon, so I don't really know what the name was. I just scrolled through and found what I love, and I love these, and they're real soft. we serve them at work. We put peaches, bananas, strawberries, brown sugar, and milk. That sounds delicious, Julie. Yeah, I love overnight oats. I use a little honey from my brother's hive. So that, yes, Jessica, I use some honey in mine too, just for a little bit of sweetness. And it's very similar to oatmeal, but the steel cut oats are smaller grain. You can feel that in your mouth. Let's see. I thought there might be other comments about the steel oats. Or overnight oats mushy. Oh, but they are. I mean, I can still feel the texture of them in my mouth, but they're kind of mushy. But very filling. Anyway, overnight oats. I'm gonna start my day with them. Be a little more filling. Maybe I won't be starving at lunchtime. Anyway.